In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the availability badge on Upwork effectively. This feature is a great tool for freelancers wanting to signal their availability to potential clients. Whether you're aiming to attract more projects or simply showcase your willingness to take on new work, the availability badge can help you stand out. Let's dive into how you can set it up step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Upwork homepage. This is where every freelancer's journey begins on Upwork. Ensure you're logged into your account as you'll need access to your profile settings. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with a number of options relating to your account settings and other Upwork features. Next, from the drop-down, select Your Profile. Your profile page serves as your virtual resume, showcasing your skills, experiences, and testimonials from clients. Here, you can also manage settings specifically related to promoting yourself as a freelancer. On your profile page, look for the section labeled Promote with Ads. This is where you can make adjustments to how you appear to clients searching for freelancers. Now, within the Promote with Ads section, you'll notice an icon next to the Availability Badge option. It looks like a small pencil, signifying that you can edit that section. Clicking on this pencil icon will allow you to modify the settings for your availability badge. Setting up your availability badge is all about visibility. You want to make it as easy as possible for clients to see that you are open to new work opportunities. Having this badge active can often be the difference between landing a project or not. Clients tend to reach out more to freelancers who signal their availability because they know their project will be a priority. As you adjust your badge settings, you'll also find an option to set a maximum budget. This helps ensure that the opportunities presenting themselves align with your financial expectations. While setting this, remember it's crucial to remain reasonable and competitive within your market to attract a diverse range of projects. Also, keep in mind that being responsive and keeping your profile updated plays a significant role in client decisions to hire. Once you finish setting your preferences and budget, click on Turn On to activate your availability badge. By doing so, you're letting millions of Upwork clients know that you're ready and willing to take on new projects. And there you have it, setting up the availability badge on Upwork. This simple feature could prove instrumental in connecting you with clients more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy freelancing!